Hi, welcome to Cute Things by Rebecca. I'm Rebecca, and today we're going to show you how to make the side eye card holder. What you need is a main back fabric, vinyl, 5x5. The front piece, I have 3 inches by 5, and I overcut, so just to be sure on my placements. And then if you want to line it, I use Olifun to line it, or you could use like a canvas type, something kind of thin, because that's easy to fold, or you can use felt. So I have the file loaded up in the machine, and I'm going to run step 1 on the machine. Step 1 was a placement step. This is what you're going to use as to see where you're going to place your fabrics. The next step, you want to take your front piece and just line it up on this line here. You can secure it with tape so it doesn't move, but the next step on the machine is just a line. It's like a top stitch. It's to give it more structure. So you go ahead and run that real quick. Okay, so that just ran a line there, so that's on there. So now you want to go ahead and turn over your hoop, and if you choose to line it, you would add your lining, and then you would add your main back piece just over the top. Make sure the placement is covered. Secure it with tape and run the very last step. It's all finished. So now you just want to remove your stabilizer. And when you remove your stabilizer, that's when your card slot will open up. That's why we use tearaway. It's going to have that string that you need to cut because of the placement line was on the stabilizer, but just remove your stabilizer. Do little pieces out. And then now you just trim around. Let me get my scissors. And then you fold over the flap and put your snaps wherever you want. I'm thinking this looks good, so I just go ahead and poke a little hole in it just so it goes through that top layer and I can see. You can do it however you want. It's just how I'm going to do it. And you put your little snaps on. You get to see me fumble with all this stuff. Voila. All done. Cute little card holder. Fits a few cards. Just a fun, quick gift. If you wanted to, you could put a ribbon here so you can hook a D-ring on it and just kind of carry it around, or dress it up however you want to. It's just a fun little idea. Anyways, thanks for watching.